Good morning, students. So, at the last video, I have discussed about the demand of the early nationalist, like the constitutional reforms, economical reforms, administrative demands, and defense of civil rights. Today, I will discuss about the method, first set method, and second set of methods. And with this method, we also discuss about the achievement of the early nationalist. And as a great early nationalist, I will also discuss about the contribution of Dadabhai Nauroji, Surendranath Banerjee, and also about the Gopal Krishna Gokhale. So let's start. First method of the early nationalist: held meeting, gave speeches, passed resolutions for their demands. So these are the early nationalists. I told the name: Surendranath Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and Dadabhai Nauroji. They kept their demand by holding meeting, and they are discussing each other's, give the speeches, and also the past resolutions against of the British government. And also they took the help of press to criticize the government policies, whatever the policies British going to establish or publish. So these are the repressive policies that was not supporting our Indians. It is not suitable for our countries. So that things, that are the ideas they are spreading by their press, using press, sent memos and petitions to government. So these were the first method. And second method is very important: three P's policies: petitions, prayer, and protest method they have taken. Published weekly journal India to present India's case before the British public. So they are also presenting the Indian problems, difficulties in the society in front of the British public. British public means in the Britain government, in front of the Britain government also. Indian leaders travel to Britain to make British politicians and people to make them aware about the problems Indian faced. So whatever the British East Indian companies are doing in our countries, that are the things they are going to express in their own countries to express their real nature of the British government in front of the British peoples. Next, achievement of the early nationalist: the United Indians made them realize that they have common political, economic, and cultural interest. So United Indians, the early nationalist pupils made the group of United Indians, and they got the authorities as a common political and economical cultural group of our countries. Train people in politics, given ideas like the democracies, secularisms, and nationalisms. They able to spread these other thought inside of our countries. Expose the true nature of the British rule in India. Not only India, in their countries also, they expose the true nature of the British. Made the fact of the clear that Indian must be ruled in their interest of the Indians, means Indian ruling systems will be for Indians only, Indian welfare. Due to the early nationalist, Public Service Commission was set up. Then PSC department is there. That Public Service Commission was set up at the time of British Empire. ICS examination simultaneously at London and India's. It is also held in our countries. Appointed Welby commissions on Indian expenditures. So to look after the Indian expenditures of the whatever the tax they are collecting, the Welby commissions was also formed. And the Dadabhai Nauroji, one of the member of these commissions. Indian Council Act also passed in 1892. Indian Council Act, that the previous Indian councils there was no Indians, but in this Indian Council Act there some of the Indians become the members and they can reform the constitution of our countries. Here you can see the picture of Dadabhai Naoroji, and he was known as the grand old man of India. Now we will see that contribution of Dadabhai Naoroji in our national movement. India's unofficial ambassadors. He was known as India's unofficial ambassador, is very important. Stayed in England and was the Indian unofficial ambassador. Founded London Indian Society in 1865 with the W.C. Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Presented in important matters related to Indians in British Parliament. He can present it British Parliament because he is an unofficial ambassador of our countries. ICSE examination London and Indian same times this can be held, and he only arranged the matter. Founded East India Association in London. So these are the things he has done as a unofficial ambassador. Role in the Congress means his role as a Congress leader. Active participation in the formation of INC, Indian National Congress. Thrice served as the president, means 3 times he served as the president of INC Assembly, 1886, 1893 and 1906. Self-government, Swadeshi boycott, national education resolution were passed under the presidency of Dadabhai Naoroji. Use the word of Swaraj in the first time is 1906. This Congress Assembly. You will find out where these assembly were held. So it is your work to find out. When you will find out the previous lesson, you will get that Congress sessions. This from there you will get Dadabhai Naoroji become the president of this Congress and where it was set up. Next, expose the economic ills of India. Published book and spread the awareness of the British rule was an obstacle in Indian progress. So he also told about it as an early nationalist. He expressed the feeling of the Indian peoples and came against of the early nationalist was Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who was known as a political guru or the mentor of the Gandhiji. So we'll see the contribution of Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He criticized the British government for huge expenditure on army. They are collecting the taxes and using this money for their army purpose. That money should be used for the Indian welfares. The British government was not using, and also the racial discrimination policies was imposed in the appointment of the higher post. Production tax on the cottons also they are taking from our Indians, and also against of the Morley Minto reforms or Minto Morley reforms act. He stood against of it. The Morley Minto that one also known as Indian Council Act of 1909. It was passed by the British government, and in this law that they told that very limited appointment of the Indian peoples in the British government. So he also stand against of this rule of British government. Next, worked as a member of IPSC and demanded increase the number of the Indians in higher services. IPSC full forms is Indian Public Service Commission, and he told to increase the members or the appointment members in this service. Tried to stop the partition of Bengal during his visit to England. So he also worked against of the partition of Bengal. Set up SIS, Servant Indian Societies. Its main aim was to train national leaders to serve the nations. When he establishes in 1905, role as a member of Imperial Legislative Council in 1902, reduce the salt duty, no excise duty on cotton goods, toll tax, bill for primary education, better job for the educated Indians, reduce the land revenue. So these are the things he has done as a member of Imperial Legislative Council of British government. So he has He had done many reformations in the societies and reduced the pressure of the Indians. Next we can see Surendranath Banerjee. Here I have given the two pictures, as a young or also as a old Surendranath Banerjee, and he was also father of Indian nationalism and Indian Brooke also. Here we can see the contribution of Surendranath Banerjee. Fought against of the wrong policies of the British, increased the unity and awareness along public by establishing the Indian Association in 1876. It was also the that pre-Indian National Congress organization associations, and the created All Indian Political Organization Indian National Conference in 1883 in Kolkata, and merged with INC in 1886. Political ideas, edited newspaper Bengali, powerful tools for this towards the Indian national movements. Book is important book is Nation in the Making, Self Government, and Oppose Arms Act, Vernacular Act, Press Act, lowering the IPS exams age 21 to 19. So you can see the very good contribution for our national movement. Opposed Parliamentary reforms and partition of Bengals, that I already told about the Parliamentary reforms. The limited participations of Indians, that was told in this Reforms Act, and he also came against of this act. At last you can see I have given some of the quoted words. That is very important because in the board exam the questions given depend on the quoted words only, which are written in red or bold color, like that. Here he was a great grand old man of India's, write the contributions as a early nationalist. So here you have to understand the who was known as grand old man of India. So Dadabhai Naoroji is known as grand old man of India, wrote the poverty and British rule in India, and he also that published the drain theory, Dharma Mark Darshak magazine. Rast Gupta is the editor of this newspaper. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who was a political guru, mentor of the Gandhis. Gokhale helped the Gandhiji in South Africa to fight against of the racial discriminations. Gokhale convinced the Gandhi to return back to India. Surendranath Banerjee, who was known as the father of Indian nationalism and Indian Brooke, wrote the Nation in Making Bengali, is the editor of these newspapers. So you will try to remember this. You will try to write as a note, because when you read, if you read as a point wise, you can remember long time, and you can revise it at the time of exam. So students, you will note down the main important points, and if you write down like this, we know the sequentially, not required to read the books again and again. Thank you.